So we were talking about lists in collections, and the next thing that we're going to do is look at methods of the lists. So let's create a new section here, which is methods of lists. And these are things that we can do to lists. And if you note that we had originally 3 lists that we created: numbers, names, which was a series of names, numbers was a series of integers, and we could even create a mixed list. Just by way of example, we could have put in integers, strings, floating point numbers, or booleans, or other things as well. And we could get back our items by doing names, and then inside square brackets we could put the index of what we wanted to get back. And here we were able to get back Charlie, for example, because it was at index 2. Let's look at methods of lists now, and we're going to pick the names list just because it's possibly the most convenient and clearest one to use. We just type out names and then put a dot, and what happens is we get a drop down, and there's about 10 different methods that are available to us. I can scroll up and down so you can see the different methods that are available in Python. So we can select the first one, which is append. And what does append do? We see that append, and we can see here append object to the end of the list. And just remembering that our list down the bottom, our names list, was Alice, Bob and Charlie. So if we wanted to append, we'll put a D name that goes in there, and an excellent D name will be Darren. So we could do that, and just let's make sure we run this so everything's clear there. If we now do names, we don't have to do the print statement, by the way. We can just select the last variable in the Jupyter notebook will be the variable that gets printed. So we could do print names, but we don't have to. So if we just type out names, then we see that we get Alice, Bob, Charlie and Darren. So Darren has been appended to the end of the list.